Hello and welcome to 205 Acorn Place or 80 Acorn Place. Let's take a look inside. So this is a townhouse with a one-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's go take a look inside. On the first floor we have a space for the office. We have a utility room right here. And of course the entrance to the garage from the unit. Convenient space here to hang your clothing and then put your keys and what have you. Now we're going up on the second floor. Here's a spacious living room. Right here there's a 2-piece bath, fully renovated just before the sale. Again, very spacious, enough space for a little piano, 2 large couches, lots of room to entertain. Now we have a dining room or a breakfast area, brand new kitchen, soft closed doors, all brand new kitchen. It's a Juliet balcony. You can take a look outside, the neighbors right there. We have a little bit of a backyard. Set upstairs, going to the second floor. The townhouse equipped with the central air, central back, where the 3 bedrooms located. So this is a kids room, kids bedroom. Both have the closets on both sides. It's a decent size, as you can tell. Both of those beds are queen size beds, and they both can fit a study table or study area. We have a full bath here, again fully renovated or just changed the vanity, the lighting, kohler faucets, which is a great quality. And this is a master bedroom. Again, has enough space for the desk if you're working from home. We have a closet, walk-in closet. And that concludes the tour of 205 80 Acorn Place in Mississauga. If you have any questions, please give me a shout and I will gladly give you more details or show you the property. My name is Yuriy Nesvit and I'm with eXp Realty. See you next time. Bye-bye.